Welcome to this quick and updated 2025 guide on how to use GearUp Booster. If you're tired of lag, high ping, or unstable game connections, this tool can give your gameplay a serious upgrade. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how GearUp Booster works, how to set it up properly, and how to boost your games for smoother, faster performance. Let's get started and level up your gaming experience. First is search GearUp Booster to your web and click the GearUp for Windows. Install it to your Windows. After installing, click the Home, click the How to Boost Your First Game, click Login, and lastly log in to your account using your Google account. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use GearUp Booster in 2025 to reduce lag, improve ping, and enjoy smoother gameplay. If this guide helped you, feel free to save it for later or share it with a friend who needs a little boost in their gaming performance. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.